Hello everybody, welcome again to our course AutoCAD 2020. Now in this lecture we want to learn how we can draw a circle in AutoCAD. So let's go to this slide. Okay, we have many methods to draw a circle. So let's go to AutoCAD. We can go to draw a circle. We can go directly to here and draw any circle that we want, or we can type on the keyboard C directly and draw also any circle. So these are two fast methods to draw any circle. But if we want to draw a circle with specified radius or diameter, we want to enter diameter or radius of this circle. And also if we press on this here, if we press here, we can show that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 methods to draw a circle. Let's begin with the first comment or option, center and radius. So we select it. We need to specify the first point, okay, or we need to specify the center. Where is the center of this circle? We can choose a coordinate or press any when we want, okay, where we want. So here we specify the center. Now we need to put the radius of this circle. Let's for example we press 5, so we get a radius with a circle with radius equal 5. Let's measure this circle. So we select this circle, radius equal 5, diameter equal 10. The second option, we need the diameter, so we choose the center, okay, then we put for example 10, so we have the same circle, okay. Now we need to draw a circle with 2 points. Okay, we need to draw a circle with 2 points. For example, this is the first point and the second point, okay. And also for example, if we have rectangle, so we want to specify the first point, the second point, okay. So these 2 points are the intersection of this circle, okay. For example, also if we have, let's delete the circle, 2 points, we need the circle pass through this 2 points, okay, so we can get this circle, okay. Now we need to draw circle using 3 points, for example 1, 2, 3, okay, using 3 points, okay. And now we want to go to this option, tangent and radius. For example, if we have here, for example 5 and 5, and we want to go to tangent, we need, this is the first line, the second tangent, and radius of the circle we need at 5, so we can get this circle. Here we have tangent and here we have tangent, and the radius of this circle equal 5, okay. So now, and here if we need to draw a circle using tangent option, for example if we have circle like this, and we need to use this command, we select the first tangent, second, third tangent, we get this circle with 3 tangent, first, second, third, okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 method to draw a circle. We can specify the radius, the diameter, we can using the tangent, 2 tangent or 3 tangent option, or we can use the point to draw a circle. So these are all the methods to draw circle in AutoCAD. Thank you for listening. We'll continue on the next lecture.